Understanding Incantation, a guide to magical phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and mystical topic, the word incantation. This term is rich in history and cultural significance, and we're going to explore its meaning, origins, and how it's used in modern English. An incantation is a series of words said as a magical spell or charm. In many cultures, these are believed to have mystical power. They are often found in stories about wizards, witches, and magical beings. The key feature of an incantation is its rhythmic and repetitive nature, which is thought to invoke magical effects. The word incantation comes from the Latin incantare, meaning to chant, a spell, upon. Historically, incantations were used in various religious rituals and mystical practices. They have a long history and are found in many ancient cultures, including Egyptian, Greek, and Roman civilizations. In literature and movies, incantations are often used to create a sense of mystery and magic. Famous examples include spells in the Harry Potter series, like Expecto Patronum or Wingardium Leviosa. These fictional incantations have become part of popular culture, fascinating audiences around the world. In modern English, incantation can be used metaphorically. For example, a poet might describe their poetry as an incantation, implying it has a magical, mesmerizing effect. It's also used to describe repetitive phrases in speeches or songs that have a hypnotic effect. I hope this exploration of incantation has been enlightening and enjoyable. This word opens a window into a world of magic and mystery, showing how language can transport us to extraordinary realms. Thank you for joining me today, and may your language learning journey be just as magical.